Today is Monday, October 18th, 2021. We're at 4000 North Okemos Road. This is Chippewa Middle School. We're back in a storage area behind the gymnasium. As you can see, we got a PVC 4-inch clean-out tee for a rainwater conductor. There's issues. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but there's issues where the wall is. When we get heavy rains, they're getting water and sand pushing up through the floor. We're going to do a diagnostic televise at this time. There are lines that tie into here. We will be locating all those when we pull back. We are going to televise out as far as we can. We do know around 84 or 85 feet there's going to be a 90 that drops down. We're going to try and continue to televise past that point if possible. Okay, here you can see is where we have a change from the 6-inch PVC to 6-inch clay tile. As you notice here, as we're pushing through this area, you can see that we do pick up a little bit more sand through here. You can see the pipe isn't currently holding any water at this time. We would actually need to flush this out some. As you can see, we're starting to build up sand through here. Okay, we're going to pull back on this turn. As you're going to note, we have a size change. You're going to see as we come through this turn, you're going to see the camera drop down, which means we went from 6 to 8-inch. And then also you can see here we have a 4-inch conductor that ties in. Okay, as you can see here again, you can see we have another size change and we have a Y just up ahead. And you can see this is our drop. Okay, here you can see we have an area that holds a little bit of water. That's going to be all of my pressure right there. Okay, as you can see, this is as far as we can push. We are going to go ahead and start marking our push rod as we pull back. We are going to start also pausing the recording and doing some locating and tape marking the floor as well of all the different Ys and size changes. Okay, we're going to pause our recording here. We are going to go ahead and try and locate this area and see where we're at. We believe this is an area where it turns down before it heads down into a basement area that used to be for a pool that's no longer here. Like I said, we will go ahead and also locate and mark Ys and also mark the size changes as well. Okay, we have located this. This is in the far men's locker room. This is in the shower area. We did put a tape mark on it. As you can see, we're just a little bit in front. We're going to push forward here to the drop. You can see this is the drop. We had a depth of 2'1". We're going to go ahead and continue our televised back. The next thing that we're going to locate. Okay, as you can see here, we have size change in a Y. That's basically going to be right in front of where we're at in the locker room. So we're going to leave that measurement and that mark right there. We will mark the next size change and also Y, which we believe may end up in the ladies' locker room. We will pause and locate just to be sure of the location. Okay, as you can see, just up ahead of us is a Y right there about the 11 o'clock position. And then as we pull back, you're going to see we have a turn, and we also have a size change right here. So we are going to pause our recording. We are going to go ahead and locate this area as well. Okay, we have located this. This is in the women's locker room, right under a bench in the areas where lockers are. We have put tape on the floor to mark that this is a Y and a size change. Depth at this location is approximately 1'10". We are going to go ahead and continue to pull back. As you can see, we have a turn here in the pipe. We are going to continue to televise as we pull back. We will mark this area for the measurement of the CIPP liner. We're also going to mark the next turn just so we have an idea of how the line runs through, because we do have a few more fittings that come down through this area, just to get a general idea of the location of the line. Okay, we are going to pause to locate again. Yeah. Okay, we did locate this out in the hallway. You could definitely see that this the line has moved over with the 245s. Now we're coming straight back towards the storage area. Again, you're going to see this is the area where we start having a little bit more of the sand and debris. We would definitely need to flush this out before doing a liner, as we really don't want to run a liner over that buildup. We will pause. I believe we have two more fittings in the line. Very well could be in the storage area. We will go ahead and mark those and get a depth as well. Okay, we have marked this. This turn puts us right in line with the mark we made in the hallway. You're going to see that we'll have one more turn coming up. That'll turn us towards the roof conductor. We will go back in. We are going to mark the transition area.
No, that's not a condensing unit. Got a mosquito out of there, no?